Don't. I'm sick. I can't. They can't.
Come on now.
Please. Please.
Straight teenagers.
Please, sir. They can't.
Teenagers.
They can't, sir.
Teenagers. Probably ain't even 16, 17.
They're not even of age.
Probably even 18.
Probably ain't
They're
even
not
of
even
age.
legal yet.
They can't. They
They're not even
can't.
legal yet.
They
You
can't,
put it back in the
sir.
holster.
Why you got? Why you got a gun?
Exactly.
You can just check them.
But
You have
why-
to take-
I'm not checking for myself, guys.
But-
That's one against five.
But why you have a gun?
Who's gonna do something to you?
They are kids, sir. They are kids. What they doing? What did they do?
To you, sir.
What did they do wrong? What did they do wrong?
How about somebody want to get
Sir, what did they do wrong? Please.
They're gonna beat you up or something.
They
What the hell is they gonna do to you? You sound fucking retarded.
This is too much. It's too much. It's they babies.
She really can't check
And not
nobody.
even a
They
She's not
babies.
supposed to check nobody. She's not even supposed to check nobody.
They babies though. They babies though.
They're not even here.
Where their parents at?
Fuck
Fuck that.
No type of age limit.
9395. 9395. 9395.
Y'all got me fucked up.
It's a cut through. It's a fucking cut through. Everybody go through this shit. It's a whole corner store right here.
Know nothing about
This shit
Motherfuckers
is
live down the
fucking
street.
crazy.
Everybody know about
This shit is fucking crazy.
That shit's stupid
This
as
is
fuck.
fucking crazy.
Stupid.
This is fucking
Dumbass
crazy.
shit. Everybody go
Why you had to have a gun out?
Every fucking day.
Why you had to have a gun out? They kids.
Bullshit.
They fucking kids.
trying to make sure they okay. I know you understand the words that's coming out of our mouth. I know you know why we're here. We not here to fucking
Fucking
make
police
sure
show.
that they're okay.
Fucking police show.
We're not here for
I
you.
can't,
This got
yo.
nothing to do with you. We here for them.
Can't, yo.
They walking through the cut. Who don't walk through this fucking cut?
They kids.
Everybody claim